Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Dalton and this is Bertrand Acres. In today's video, we're gonna be going over the Bad Boy Maverick HD right here. We just rolled over 10 hours on this thing, and so I'm gonna give you guys all of my thoughts on this thing, good and bad. I will say it's gonna be mostly good. This thing has been pretty flawless in the first 10 hours. So if you guys are in the market for one of these things, this is the video you're gonna wanna watch. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and go over the thing real quick first, and then we're gonna get into everything I like about this. And then we're gonna go over everything I don't like, which, again, that don't like list is gonna be very short, especially in the first 10 hours I've owned this. First things first, it is a 2025 Bad Boy Maverick HD. It's the 60-inch version, 23.5, the FX 730V. Awesome engine. I will say it has been plenty strong. It's never let me down. Even wet grass, real thick grass, it has been plenty powerful. We went with a 60-inch deck because we have 10 acres here in Northwest Florida. We mow about 3.5 of it, and it's actually just now slowing down as far as mowing season goes. I could probably mow it one more time when we'll be good for a while. Takes about 3.5 hours to mow this whole property without, you know, edging and using the weed eater and things like that. I think it's plenty. It's fun. Maybe I'm just getting a little older and I enjoy mowing the lawn, but 60-inch deck I think was a perfect size for this, and I think you can get a 72. I don't think you can get it in the Maverick HD though. I think you have to go to like the Rebel or the next one up. So this is a commercial unit. It's like the entry-level commercial. So probably a little overkill for like a smaller residential yard or whatever, but I think it's plenty for a property of this size. So now the main reason I wanted this thing is bang for the buck. And I think that goes for pretty much all Bad Boy. You get a lot of value for the money. They have pretty much everything the other brands have for, you know, thousands less. So this thing is in the $8,000 to $9,000 range. To get all of these options on another brand, you know, another higher end commercial brand, you're gonna be spending $12,000 to $15,000, I would say. And I think this thing would keep up with them all day. So yeah, bang for the buck. It's very hard to beat. It has everything those other brands have for a way cheaper price. That's really what drew me in. And you're not like lacking in areas that you'd think you would for the price range, right? Like it's got a 7-gauge deck, super thick. You can just tell it's a commercial built machine, super heavy. It's just a well built, it's built like a tank. And for the price, it's really, really hard to beat. I'd put it up against anything for the price. And I don't think you're gonna beat it as far as price goes. And like I said, I don't think it's lacking in any areas to make up for that cost, right? Like I don't think it's them cutting corners to keep the price down. I think it's just them putting a machine out there at a really great price point, and that's what you get. And I think that's why they're so popular. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into the things I love about this thing, other than the things I just mentioned, like, you know, bang for the buck. One of the main reasons I did go with this thing is the suspension seat and the suspension. So I don't have a great back. Our other zero turn we keep at our warehouse, which we use at the warehouse, which is not a real bumpy property, so it works just fine there. That one's a 52-inch deck. It does great. It's an Aaron's, it's the Icon X52, which is, you know, a residential zero turn, gets the job done just fine. I originally brought that thing out here. I was gonna mow out here with that, and I immediately regretted it. As soon as I pulled it off the trailer, just going out in the field where the geese are coming from, a little bit further past them, it beat my back up so bad. Now, I will say our property is not super bumpy, but if you don't have any sort of suspension, you're gonna wish you did at the end of the day, because just driving that other zero turn like 10 feet was enough to be like, okay, we gotta get a suspension zero turn. And so that's what we got. The suspension seat is unbelievable, so comfy. And even these little bushings in the front and the rear, you know, independent front suspension, it makes a huge difference. Like you can actually see it flex pretty good. It takes a lot of those, you know, jarring little potholes or whatever it does a great job. Another thing I absolutely love about this is the fuel capacity. Now, I don't know how fuel efficient it is, but I will say you're rarely having to fuel this thing up. You're definitely not gonna have to fuel up in the middle of mowing your property. You can fill this thing up and probably get 4 or 5 mows out of it on a big property like this. I need to probably go over that and see how long it actually does last on a tank, because it's got 2 6.5 gallon tanks. They feed right in the middle. It lasts a long time, and it's great to have because you don't have to stop in the middle of mowing, go fuel up, and then go back to where you left off. That is a great thing to have. Another thing I absolutely love about this thing is the accessibility to everything, right? Like some zero turns, you got to pull off a bunch of panels and to get to your pulleys. This one is just a little door that swings up right there. You got access to your belts, pulleys, all that. Very accessible. Squeaky right now. And also, under your seat, you got your easy access to your battery and your reservoirs there. Everything is very easy to get to and squeaky. Also, oil changes, your regular maintenance, everything is so simple. You guys seen in the previous Bad Boy Maverick video where I did the 10-hour oil change. That took me like 10 minutes to do. Everything is so accessible. Here's a little drain hose here for the oil. The oil filter is right there. Air filter right here. Very easy to get to everything. Very simple. Oh, and the last thing I will say that I absolutely love is like the ergonomics of it. The armrests are in a great spot. The seat's fully adjustable. The sticks are in the perfect position. Everything is very easy to operate. Nothing feels awkward, nothing like that. To raise the deck up and down is very easy. Use this little foot pedal here, and then you got the dial there to dial it in. Everything is very well thought of on this thing, and it feels like a very expensive machine. Not that it's cheap. It's not a cheap machine by any means. It is a commercial, zero turn. It's getting close to that $10,000 range, which again is not a cheap machine by any means, but it feels like it could be a lot more. And I do think it's probably the best value zero turn on the planet. And I think that's not a crazy thing to say. All right, guys, so here is my long list of dislikes for this thing. All right, let me think of something. All right, I'll just say the cup holder. I don't like the cup holder. I added this one from Amazon to fit, various sizes, because, some cups will just like bounce out of there. I added that to grip different cups. And that's the end of the list of dislikes. Yeah, so again, in the 10 hours I've owned this, I don't have really any dislikes other than the cup holder, and it's very easily fixable, and it's not really a true complaint. It's an awesome machine. It really is. I will keep you guys updated if I do have any issues with it. So far, so good. Again, if I do have issues with it, like I said, I will let you guys know. I'm not sponsored by them. I don't have to tell you all the good things about this thing. I'm being honest with you. If something does pop up, you guys will know. I promise. But yeah, guys, that is going to do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope if you guys are in the market for one of these, this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a like. Maybe think about subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, that's going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.